Yeah, so let us start. So good evening, everyone. Online team, can you hear me? Online team. Yeah, so let us start. A small update actually. I hope I thought you already have seen. I have done the code changes actually. Have you seen? Yesterday itself, I have done actually. But anyway, let me explain very clearly where are all changes required. Purchase intention model. I will take this one in the final code. And I will take this one in docs. Then let me just try to run this project. And to run this project, let me just try to get the data set. I will walk through very quickly so that we can continue. First of all, let me tell you what is the problem with the old code actually. What is the problem with the old code? Seems to be I didn't create running node, sir. Let me create actually. One minute, sir. Yeah. So back to the session. Let me tell you. So currently, I have already shared the documents actually. Documents plus code also I have shared. Am I right? Yeah. So let me tell you. There is a small change in the code base actually. Change in what exactly? Code base. What do you mean by that? In sklearn, there is a class. The class name is called as a pipeline. What is the class name actually? Pipeline. And this class recently, on an average, just recently, the class was updated actually. And yesterday, when I was debugging the code, I came across we are getting an error. In last week, whenever we are running the project, we are getting error. I'm not sure whether you noticed or not actually. I have fixed that one. Then I'm going to continue with the same thing actually. Did you understand? Good. So fine then. You already yesterday. I just updated the code actually. Kindly please walk through. If anyone did it notice, let me just try to let me show you. Kindly please observe here. This file was uploaded on yesterday. Yesterday means Sunday, means I was updated actually. Fine then, let us continue. The very small changes are no need to be worried. I will take the help from the existing running, so the existing running code actually, so that you will understand very clearly. Are you ready? Come on, let us start. It's a very simple. So initially we need to import these are all required libraries actually. So though it is one or two examples, like the packages will be one package or two packages, but here it was not like that. As I told you, it is a real-time project. And on an average, you should understand these are all packages from sklearn. We are all importing. These are all things actually. Yesterday, this was an update. This was an update actually yesterday. And yeah, good. Let's move on. So this is fine. This is for what exactly? So to ignore the warnings or else filter the warnings. Loading, what exactly? Data set. We know these are all steps actually. Did you run this one? Did you run or not, sir? Yeah. What is the project motto? Project is called as a e-commerce purchase intention model. E-commerce, what exactly? Purchase intention model. Let us take Amazon company. Which company, sir? Amazon company. Amazon company will give the data. Amazon company will give what exactly? Data. So imagine that data having on an average 12,000 rows. How many rows actually, sir? 12,000 rows. 12,000 rows in the sense 12,000 transactions. How many transactions actually? 12,000 transactions. Imagine these are all 1 month transaction. How many transaction? 1 month. Starting from first date to and till to the last date, 12,000 transactions, 12,000 items. I mean, I'm sorry, not in items. 12,000 transactions got to happen. When I'm talking about this 12,000 actually, now we got this data set. We got what exactly? This data set. Now our motto will be from this data.csv file, from this what exactly, sir? Data.csv file, we just need to provide the report. We just need to provide kind of some information. What is that information? How many customers are interested to buy the product actually. How many customers are not interested to buy the products? Not interested in the sense how many guys are done window shopping. Sir, let me tell you, even in my laptop just now I have opened notepad actually. I'm typing. Will capture what I'm doing. That is called as a logging. That is called as what exactly? Logging, but not lagging actually. Did you understand? Right, there is a difference. Logging and what exactly? Lagging. So it is what exactly, sir? Talk with me. Logging in the sense each customer, every activity, each customer, what exactly? Every activity, it will be registered in one csv file. It will be registered in what exactly? One csv file. What product they are searching, at what time they are searching, and which day they are searching, and especially either they are really they buy the product or they didn't buy the product. Best example, sir, we are all 10 members. How many members? 10 members. We open Amazon, then automatically all members just know exactly at what exactly 5:40 we open Amazon. Then backend there is a one logging file. Imagine that is a csv file. All our details it will start capture actually. Then Daniel have seen 10 pages actually. 10 pages product. First page Samsung mobile, second page Samsung mobile, third page Samsung mobile, fifth page Kindle reader actually. These are all activities will be logged in. On an average, what is my time span actually? 30 minutes. I done some shopping. Once I done sign out, it will be registered. Either I buy the product or not actually. Now our project is going to do the prediction. Once we done on an average some 30 minutes shopping actually, online shopping. Now it's the right time. With all our activity, who are all buy the product, who are all interested to buy the product, who are all not interested to buy the product, they are going to do actually by using what exactly? Purchase intention model. That is a project motto. Hope you understand. Let us continue, sir. Sir, is it working? Let us continue. So the very first step, we need to import the required libraries. And the next step is what exactly? We just need to import the data set. To import the data set, we are using this one. But I can recommend you. So this file you have to load by calling a function. I hope you know that one. You just try to convert this example into function oriented actually, like a parameterized function, and use return statement. What statement? Return statement. That's really good one actually. The next one, feature engineering. We are doing exactly, so there are two columns, weekend column and next one is a revenue column, which is having boolean flags, boolean value or boolean flag also we can say, flag, flag. Yeah, where are all true is available, I need to replace with what exactly, sir? One. False is available, replace with 0. Next one, visitor type. First of all, there is a column name is a visitor type, which is having three values. How many values? Three values and three unique values. The first value is a returning customer, next value is a new customer, next value is, very good, others actually, right? Good. Now what exactly we are doing is, by taking the column, listen carefully, by taking the column, we are creating a new column. We are creating what exactly, sir? New column. That point you need to understand. I mean, to create a column, we are taking the help of existing column. We are taking the help of what exactly? Existing column. You need to spend some time here. So why we are doing this one actually? And you can still do what you can do, where are all written visitor it is available, you can directly apply with the 10. These are all things actually. This is the alternative way. Good. Adding returning visitor column, and once we added this one, then which is column? Visitor type. This is not really required for us actually. Let's move on. Yeah, after that, what exactly we are doing, we are applying over which column, sir? Month column. What we are applying, any idea on hot encoding? Then next one, checking the relationship, checking the correlation actually. What do you mean by correlation? Sir, in a machine learning, the very important step is correlation. Why? Because whenever we are working with the machine learning, first of all, we are getting the data set. We are getting what exactly? Data set. Data set means assuming that, imagine 10 columns would we have. How many columns? Out of 10 columns, imagine 9 columns are the feature, one column is the target. Can you repeat one more time? 9 columns are what exactly? Feature, one column is a target. Now it's a right time. Being a data scientist or ML engineer, we need to recognize with respect to the target, how many features are really having a strong relationship. How many features really having what exactly? Strong relationship. If which feature is really having a strong relationship, that feature literally helps a lot to do the prediction. To do what exactly, sir? Prediction. If any feature is don't have a relationship actually, trust me, you can drop that feature. And you have to please make a note actually. So and so feature not involving in relation, so I'm deleting actually. You can do, you know. Yeah. Let me ask a question. Correlation. Functional method. Good. I hope you already know. With respect to the target variable, we are simply doing the, we are simply cross-verifying correlation. Nice. Then let's move on. Yeah, we have prepared the features actually, X and Y. Sir, these are all last week we done already. And here we are calling what exactly in area? Splitting the data set, like extrain, splitting the data set. The ratio is that 0 to 3. Now this is the function. I just need to continue. Are you fine? Let's continue. And the same function last week I have explained it till, there are few 4 lines actually. Now let me continue with the same thing. Are you ready? Good. Let me tell you. So let me tell you one thing. Till step number 6 actually. Till not step number 6. Till step number 5. Still step number 5. What we done, we done feature engineering. We done what exactly, sir? Feature engineering. That too manually we done. What we done, sir? Manually. Hey, Daniel, best example. Now the features are just a matter of on an average some 10 plus features. Applying manually, that is okay. But imagine there are, I do have 1,000 columns actually. How many columns, sir? 1,000 columns. There may be a chance. In Google company, there is a one topic actually. Topic name is a big table. What is the topic name? In that big table, columns having million columns, sir. How many columns actually? Million columns. During that time, manual work is too difficult actually. Then definitely for us, automatic is required. What is required? When I say the automate actually, no matter what, million columns are available. What are all integer columns are available? We need to filter. Then just writing one method actually. What are all objects are available? We just need to filter. But if you wanted to do manually, takes a lot of time. Are you with me? Good. Now, just let's continue. Yeah. Can we automate actually? Can we automate the process? Automate the feature engineering. What exactly, sir? Feature engineering. We can do by using By using, what is the topic name, sir? Pipeline. By using what exactly? Pipeline. That point you need to understand. That point you need to understand. This project everyone need to run in your laptop, please. And the same project, trust me, once you are going to join in any company, actually the template is the same. Data set might be different, actually the template is the same. What are all feature, what are all target, and how to find the relationship, these are all things actually line by line manually you need to execute. Come on. Now here onwards, let me explain step by step. Come on. So what exactly we are doing? There is a function. Function name is a model underscore pipeline. What is that function name? Model underscore pipeline. In the last week, I already explained actually. What I explained, this function is taking a two parameter. First parameter is a features. First parameter is what exactly? Feature. Second parameter is a model. Second parameter is what exactly? Kind of some model. Right. Now here, NC means numerical column. CC means categorical column. We are filtering what are all numerical columns would you have, what are all categorical columns would you have, and we are converting into two list actually. We are converting into what exactly? List. Did you understand? These two lines are very easy. Whenever I'm not sure, either you started working with the Kaggle or not actually. In Kaggle, these two lines are the very common lines. If you wanted to filter the data, where are all objects would you have? Where are all integer? I mean to say that numbers would you have? By using this one, we can filter actually. Did you understand, sir? Good. Let's move on. Now, I have a question for you. Inside this function, what are all variables? Talk with me. NC means numerical. Next one, CC means categorical. Sir, once you done this one, please understand the next major step actually. Please understand the next major step. What is the next major step? Please focus on this one. It's a very simple. First of all, we are creating object to whom actually? Pipeline. Now, if you want, you can delete this. It's okay. You can delete this actually. We are creating object to whom? Pipeline. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you know how to create an object. Right, good. Whenever you are creating an object for this one, first of all, the pipeline, the purpose will be, let us automate the feature engineering. Let us automate what exactly? Feature engineering. Then this, whenever you are creating an object for this one, then definitely constructor is accepting few parameters. Constructor is accepting what exactly? Few parameters. Those parameters we need to pass, sir. Those parameters we need to pass. Those parameters will be, now look at my screen, please, everyone. I'm requesting actually. So what is the first point? Object number one, object number two. What is the first one? If you want, you can just try to delete this one separately. And here you can just try to come here. Object number one, obj1 equals to, take this one and you can just try to add here. And can somebody talk with me here? What I need to provide? Obj1. Am I right or not, sir? So mean to say that pipeline class, whenever you are creating an object actually, it is taking two objects. It is taking how many objects actually? Two objects. First object name is a simple imputer. We are creating an object for the simple imputer. Second class name is a min max scalar. Second class name is what exactly? Please, we already done what is a simple imputer, what is a min max scalar. If you need more explanation, you need to walk through the feature engineering. You need to walk through what exactly? Feature engineering. I request you actually. So simple, I'm repeating one more time. What exactly we are doing, sir? We are creating an object. That object name is a pipeline. What is that object name actually? Pipeline object we are creating. Whenever we are creating an object for this one, it is accepting two more objects. It is accepting what objects actually? Two more objects. First object name is a simple imputer. Second object name is a min max scalar. Did you understand or not? Yeah, good. Move on to the next step. Yeah. So I have a question for you. I have just created these two variable, but we are not using anywhere else actually. Am I right? Maybe we are going to use in upcoming steps actually. 1 minute, let me talk with the online team. Online team, I'm continuing the discussion. I hope you're able to understand. Good. The next one. Get ready, sir. Get ready. One more object. What is it object name? Pipeline. Right, good. Now this is for what exactly? Categorical pipeline. I have a question. This is for what exactly? Simple. Previously, first of all, we separated all numerical values separately, all categorical value. Now it's a right time. Best example, sir. I hope you know the pipeline means what exactly, So assuming that we are water is coming in this direction. Now left hand side, I just wanted to assign one more pipe actually. Right hand side, I just wanted to assign one more pipe, something like this. Who can assign? Who can assign actually? Now I would like to say, once we are creating an object for the pipeline, I would like to say all numeric values I need to keep here actually. All categorical values I need to separate. All categorical values I need to separate actually. If you want, open the material. There is a one point I need to cover. What is that point? Hold on. Yeah. Can you please read this one actually, sir? It means that in pipeline, each step is designed as what exactly? Independent module. Independent module. Good. Come here. This is for numerical pipeline. This is for categorical pipeline. This for what exactly? Categorical pipeline. So when you're talking about the categorical actually, I hope you know one hot encoder. What we are using actually? One hot encoder. Handle underscore noun equals to ignore actually. This point if you want you can ignore. Why? Because even in our document we didn't specify actually. Simple. Can you please talk with me? I have created a function. What is my function name? Pipeline model. Model pipeline actually. How many parameters? Talk with me, sir. How many parameters? Two parameters. Two parameters. First parameter is feature X. Second parameter is model. Very good. Four steps we done. Step number one, step number two. Separate the numerical variable, numerical value, separate categorical value. Next one. After we separated, we are preparing the pipeline separately for number, separately for what exactly? Categorical variable. What is the damn sure interview question? Do let me know whenever you are preparing a pipeline what object it is accepting. If it is integer, how you will handle. If it is the categorical, how you will handle. Damn sure interview question, sir. If it is integer, how you will handle, these 2 points you need to tell. Simple imputer, next one is what exactly? It takes care automatically how to handle. But if it is what exactly? One hot encoder belongs to what exactly, sir? Categorical. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Move on to the next steps. Can we call those two objects as a classes actually? Can we call those two objects as a classes? Oh, now I understand. I understand. I will do one thing, sir. I will do one thing. I understand you guys' question actually. One of our teammate is asking, let me just try to separate this one and let me just try to hold on. So come on, first of all, it is very simple. Let me just try to explain very clearly. Sir, what exactly happened? Let us just try to take here is obj1 equals to good. Then t1 equals to, I would like to write here imputer. I would like to write here what exactly? Imputer and comma obj1. Obj what exactly? 1. Now this total thing, what you can do, I would like to say from here to here, you can just try to replace with what exactly? T1. Did you understand or not? Sir, simple, sir. What you need to understand, whenever you are creating an object for the pipeline, it is accepting tuple. It is accepting what exactly? Tuple with two values actually. First value should be a kind of some string, and second value should be what exactly? Object to simple imputer. Object to what exactly? I need a help from you. The same this line also. Can we convert like this actually? Come on, talk with me. Object to, tell me, sir. Yeah, very good. Min max scalar object. Okay. And now T2 equals to nice scalar. Nice boss. Obj2. Now this one, what I need to do, any idea? Just try to come here. You can, this one you can just try to, T1 comma what exactly? T2. That's it. That's it actually. I hope you understand very clearly. Apart from that, nothing. Means what you need to understand, pipeline is accepting tuple object. Every tuple is packing with two values. First one string, second one is an object. First one is string, second one is what exactly? Object. Did you understand? Sir, pure Python code. Pure Python actually. You should understand. Srikant, I hope you understand now. What is the purpose of using string? Divya ma'am, you will understand. Maybe we are going to call that one actually. You will understand. Next point will be Aisha Reddy. What is the difference between label encoder and one hot encoder? Label encoder and one hot encoder. Sir, kindly please walk through the feature engineering. You guys need to, follow up the previous sessions also. Let's move on. I hope you understand very clearly. We are creating an object to the pipeline actually. And then the pipeline is accepting tuple. Pipeline is accepting what exactly? Tuple object actually. Tuple with the two information. Come on. Next one. This one also you understand. Next one, kindly please walk through. Now I need help from you. Here also, we are creating object to something. What is that one? Column transformer. Means exactly the pipeline is ready. What is ready? It's a right time. We need to run the pipeline over the columns. It's a right time. We need to run the pipeline over columns actually. Right, good. Then definitely there is a one class, class name is a column transformer. What is the class name? Transformer. Now you can just try to walk through here. Now we need to create model pipeline for our project actually. This pipeline handles the encoding of the data by using what exactly, sir? Column transformer. By using this, we can even avoid like a manually generating some of the features, and we created above actually. Sir, once you created a pipeline, get ready. The next responsibility will be taken care by column transformer. What is object name? Column transformer. Again, it is taking tuple. And here is the numerical pipeline we already created here actually. And for this numerical pipeline, so this values I wanted to run over this one actually. Good. Repeating again. Can I say tuple of three values actually? How many values, sir? Tuple of three values. First one is a string. Second one is a pipeline object. Third one is what exactly? Yeah, pipeline. I mean, this object and over which values I need to run, either categorical or what exactly numerical actually. Sir, take some time. No worries. You have to spend some time. And if you understand this line, second step you can easy to understand, man. Categorical, what is that one? Categorical and categorical pipeline. This what exactly, sir? CC. Yeah, I hope you understand. This is list of two tuples we are providing. Tuple number one information, tuple number two information, and remainder equals what exactly? Pass through. This even I'm not sure, sir. You can ignore. Next one. It's the right time. Get ready. Now, first of all, list of. So the final steps actually, the list of processor equals to processor. I hope here you already created an object. What is that object name? Preprocessor. Yeah, that we need to specify here actually. Next, one more object you need to specify. What is the object name? Any idea? Smooth actually. Now it's a right time. Let me tell you. In this project, we are discussing more about the tuples. Am I right? Any idea tuple means? First of all, I hope you already know the tuple actually. Sir, where are all individual steps is required? I mean to say that best example, step number one, step number two, both are quite different. Then definitely we need to walk through the tuple. That values are never be changed actually. Values are what exactly? Never be changed. Yeah, we are creating a tuple. For the first tuple, preprocessor object. And the second one is smart object actually. What is this object? Yeah, hold on. Go through our material. What do you mean by smart? Sir, by selecting a select underscore k best actually. Let me tell you, according to the, I hope you already have seen correlation. Go back. Correlation. Am I right or not, sir? Now, correlation is helping. Out of all columns, we came across on an average 5 to 6 columns are good columns actually. How many columns? 5 to 6 or else 3 to 4 actually. Even this one you no need to do manually. There is a one class name is what exactly, sir? Smart. What is the class name actually? Smart. This takes care automatically. This class and this class takes care automatically how to get the best features. How to get what exactly? Best features. And this is the syntax we need to follow. We are creating object to the smart and we are creating object to select k best. What is that one? Select k best. I just wanted to select the k equals to 6 features. K equals to what exactly? 6 features. And score function equals to chi-square. This is called as a chi-square actually. This is the syntax we need to provide. Come on, talk with me. Final steps. So list of 1, 2, 3, 4. First step, till now, what is object name you have created? That object name we need to provide. Second step should be smart object. Third step should be feature selection. Third step should be what exactly? Feature selection. Sir, I'm repeating again. By default, it will select automatically what are the best features. This line is seriously powerful line actually. In real time, we are using the same thing. The next one, what is this one? Any idea? Model. Model means, I hope you already know. This where we created, any idea? Very good, sir. First of all, this object we have created. This object name we are creating. This object name we are creating. First of all, this is not an object. It is the parameter coming from function. It is a parameter coming from what exactly? Function. Now let me reveal the total secret actually. That's what? Pure Python code actually. Good. Sir, now what exactly happened? This model will run with all these features, and especially what are the best features, and the pipeline also it will run actually. Then finally, what we need to do, return. Do you think IBM actually? Not IBM, sir. So IMB pipeline steps equals to final step. Sir, whenever you are running this example, whenever you are running this code, what exactly happen? That model will run with each and every value actually. Let me show you the output. Hold on. Let me show you the output actually. Understand the output. Are you with me? Can I run? Good. Let me run. Required libraries imported successfully. Step number 2, loading the data set. Yeah. Hold on. Sir, hold on. Step number 2, created a data frame. Step number 3, adding returning visitor. Step number 5, and one hot encoding, checking the correlation. Step number 4 and 5, we done manually. We done what exactly? Manually. Right, good. Now let's move on. Sir, what exactly happened, backend? Splitting the data set. These are all things done actually. Model pipeline function created done successfully. Select underscore model. Now backend, what exactly happened will be this function triggered by taking one model. What is that model here actually? Yeah. Now you can kindly please hold on. Each and every algorithm, it will run walk through the function. First algorithm is running, second algorithm is running, third algorithm is running. Finally, it will bring the score. Which algorithm is the best? Which algorithm is the best actually? I mean to say that the function what you have created, that function will run with each and every model. Will run with what exactly? Each and every model. That point you need to understand. Ayesha Reddy, if you wanted to create an object for the pipeline, we have to use IMB pipeline. IMB pipeline. Just to give me one, it is backend, it is running. Do you think is nothing is happening? Backend, the model is getting running actually. Hold on. Sir, just look at my screen, everyone, please. Look at my screen. On an average, over the data set, we run how many models? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want, you can add existing other models also, like logistic regression. These are all things actually. What is the first model name? SVC. How long time it has taken? 1 minute. Back end, that model run on an average 1 minute actually. Then what is the score? Imagine this is the score actually, 88. What is the score? 88, the 299 actually. And what is the second model name? Random forest classifier. Next one is what is how long time? 43 seconds. And what is the score? 8844 actually. Like this, all models it will run in the backend. Every model will carry the score actually. Now talk with me. What is the top one model? SVC. Now we have to proceed with this algorithm. Indirectly, model, I mean to say that the model function, it is helping. First of all, let us use all models actually. Which model is working really very good? That model we need to deploy. That model we need to what exactly? Deploy. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Let me just try to walk through one more time so that I can continue the session. These are all I can explain. Don't worry. Hold on. Control Z. Yeah. Simple. First of all, we have created a function. Function name is called as a model underscore pipeline. What is the function name? Model underscore pipeline, taking two parameters. This is the X and this is the model. Where we are calling that I can explain later. Where this function we are calling that I can explain later. Inside this function, simple, sir. Whenever you are calling this function, please provide a feature and please provide algorithm name. Please provide what exactly? Algorithm name. Then what exactly happen, the features what we have provided, it is automatically applying the filtering, numerical values and categorical values. Simple. Now get ready. You have to ready with the two objects actually. First object is a pipeline object. Second object also pipeline object. First pipeline belongs to numerical value. Second pipeline belongs to categorical value. Good, very good. These two are the independent steps. These two are the independent steps. Then if you wanted to run this pipeline, then you have to create one more object. What is that object name? Column transformer. Then instead of this one, it is taking tuple of information, sir. Tuple of information. If you want, you can separate the code actually. Numerical pipeline, categorical pipeline, so these are all things it is running. Final steps. These are all step-by-step process actually. First one, preprocessor. I mean to say that column transformer object. Next one, if you wanted to run this one, definitely feature selection is required actually. These two steps will be really helpful to get the best features. To get what exactly? Best feature. If you want here, you can try with the 5, 4, 3, something like this. Are you getting? Next one, finally, here we need to apply the model. What we need to apply? Model. Now, if you wanted to get the object for the pipeline, you need to create object for this IMB pipe. I mean, whenever you are running this object, we are getting this object actually. Then finally, this function is returning pipeline object. What it is returning, sir? Pipeline. Repeating again, this pipeline is a quite different. This pipeline is a quite different. I hope you need to understand actually, right? What is the next step? One more function, sir. Next step is what exactly? One more function. Did you understand or not? If you didn't understand, indirectly you need to do practice. The same example. Walk through one by one, line by line, what exactly I'm doing. It's a right time, you need to spend a time. It's a right time. Good. Yeah, I'm sure, I hope you understand about this pipeline actually. Sir, let's walk through. Now, creating a model pipeline. Creating what exactly? Model pipeline. Here we done actually. I have a question for you. Get ready. Here, how many classes we are using? Any idea? First one is a pipeline. And next one is column transformer. Next one. Yeah. Where this column is available, how you are importing, you have to go for the importing statements. And where this class is available, how you are importing, you have to go for what exactly? Importing statements. You need to spend some time. You need to spend some time. And I already run with Jupyter also. Kindly please walk through Jupyter. Jupyter also I already run actually. Now the next one, select the model. Next one is what exactly? Select the model. Simple. Till now what we have created, this is just for, creating a pipeline. Pipeline in the sense, so this function completely belongs to feature plus model. Feature plus what exactly? Model. Now the next function. What is the next function? Select the best model. It's a right time. Once we run best example, sir, 10 members would you have? I have given one task actually. Then definitely I need to list out who is the top one, top two, top three. Once I filter top one, then I can assign any, project related task actually. Did you understand? Good. Select underscore model function created done successfully. And 1 minute, let me walk through this. This we already done. Yeah. Please observe here. Select the best model. I mean to say that in generally, how you learn, generally we can select the single model to proceeding for the further step actually. Till now, all ML examples, we have taken one model and we run with the model and we proceed for the second step. Am I right? Except grid search CV, cross underscore val underscore score, careful cross validation. These are all things. Am I right or not, sir? But many times we used to run our code repeatedly by taking different models as well. But in real time, let me tell you, instead of checking every time with the different model, we can create function to select the best model. It's a right time. We are creating a function. This function will run automatically over the models actually, and we can get which one is the best model. Which one is what exactly, sir? Best model. Did you understand? Yeah. 1 minute. It would be really good practice to creating a function to select the best model. This function automatically tests the all models. In real time also we are using this function actually. Very simple, sir. Very simple. I will show you. These are all I can explain very clearly. Hold on. Get ready. Let us spend some time with this function actually. What is the class? What is the function name? Tell me. Select underscore model. Good. Now let me tell you. Whenever you are going for interview, during interview, these are all steps you need to need to explain. But how the pipeline is working? What is the steps you need to explain? I mean, inside the function, we have to prepare some steps actually. We are separating numbers and categorical variable. We are creating a pipeline. Then whenever you are calling this function, then automatically we are getting the pipeline. We are getting what exactly? Pipeline. Good. Move on to the next one. Select underscore model. How many parameters? I need a response. How many parameters? Three parameters. First one is a feature. Second one is target. Next one, pipeline. Very good. Now let me tell you. Go back to the previous function. What is the previous function name? Model pipeline. Model underscore pipeline. For that model underscore pipeline, how many parameters? Two. First one, feature. Next one, model. But here, feature, target, pipeline. I mean to say that this function, if you wanted to call this function, get ready, you have to provide what exactly, sir? X, feature you need to provide. And you have to provide what exactly? Target you need to provide. You need to provide pipeline. You need to provide what exactly? Hold on. Can somebody talk with me? What is this syntax? I will cry. Very good. This call is a default argument. This call is what exactly? Default. Am I right or not? While creating the function, if you know the value of the variable, you can provide this is called as a default argument, but very rare. In real time, we never apply these are all things actually. Good. Get ready, sir. How easy it is, this function will be. Any idea what is this? We are creating a dictionary. We are creating what exactly? Dictionary. Then what exactly we are doing, boss? Again, we are creating one more dictionary. For the dictionary, first one is the string, key is the string, and value is the object of the class. Value is what exactly? Object of the class. Then inside dictionary, there is a method. Method name is a update. Method name is what exactly? Update. Do one thing. Let me create a separate example. Come on. D1 equals to, please look at my screen. D1 equals to, let me create a empty dictionary. Let me create what exactly? Empty dictionary. Next one, I would like to say A equals to here, Daniel and column 101. I have a question for you. What is the first object name? First dictionary? D1. Second dictionary? A. Then do one thing. D1 dot update. D1 dot what exactly? Update of, what is this one? Any idea? A. Then what exactly we are doing, sir? We are just trying to adding these key value pairs inside into the existing dictionary. Inside into what exactly? Existing dictionary. I have a question. Update means what exactly? Method. Talk with me. What is that one? Method. Good. Let me run this example. Flow diagrams. What is this? 1 minute, sir. Yeah. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Print. Exactly. Print to D1. Yeah. Sorry. Let's move on. Let me run this example very quickly. Py test1.py. Very good. Right. Let me add one more object, man. Let me add what exactly? One more object. That object will be B. That object will be what exactly? B. And here, let me add something like, so Rohit and 102. What exactly? 102. Then what exactly I need to do? D1 dot update. D1 dot what exactly? Update. Here, let me provide B. Now, look at my screen. Look at my screen, please. Run this example. Just try to see. Simple. What exactly we are doing, First of all, we have created empty dictionary. We have created what exactly? Empty dictionary. and other dictionaries we are adding to the existing dictionary. Then automatically all keys we are getting, all values we are getting. Am I right? Sir, same thing like that. What exactly we are doing? I'm creating a classifier dictionary empty dictionary object. I'm creating a empty dictionary object. Then in every dictionary, I would like to specify name of the algorithm. I would like to specify what exactly? Name of the algorithm. And here I would like to create object to the algorithm. I would like to create what exactly? Object to the algorithm. Yeah, exactly. Look at my screen very clearly. Very clearly, sir. Classifiers. If you want, you can give any name. Nothing is wrong in that. And first of all, CD1, classifier D1 dictionary. Random classifier. This is the name of the algorithm. If you want here, you can provide space also. Nothing is wrong in that. But can I provide space here? Hope you know that. That's what I'm not highlighting actually. Good. This is just name of the class. This is object to the class. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now, initially, can I say the object is empty? Can I say object is what exactly? Empty. Sir, what exactly we are doing? Look at my screen very clearly. Generally we are creating empty object. What we are creating actually? Empty object. Inside this empty object, how many algorithms you wanted to run? 5 algorithms, right? Or else 10 algorithm. Create a get ready first algorithm, second algorithm, third algorithm, fourth algorithm, fifth algorithm. Then automatically we are going to call a function. That function will trigger with this object. And at the same time, this function will trigger with this object. That function will trigger with this object. In real time, this is happening exactly. All objects we have to store inside one object. All objects we have to store inside in what exactly? One object. Did you understand? Good. Yeah. Random forest classifier. And I hope you know. Second one is what exactly? Any idea? Decision tree classifier. Decision tree classifier. Third one is KNN. Next one is ridge classifier. Ridge regression we covered actually. Same thing like that. Ridge classifier also would have. This is navy biaser that I can cover later actually. The next one is what exactly? SVC. Next one is what exactly? SVC. I have a question for you. How many algorithms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In real time, not only 6 algorithms. If you want, you can feed this object with 10 algorithms also, 20 algorithms also. Running separately all these algorithms takes notorious job. Notorious job in the sense, you have to separately spend with the SVM, decision tree classifier, random forest. All these algorithms takes a lot of time. Instead of that one, we are creating a function. Function name is a select underscore model. What is the function name? Select underscore model. And get ready. X we are not using as of now. Y we are not using. But instead of this one, we have created a empty dictionary. Now let me tell you. Line number 249 empty dictionary. Line number 249 empty dictionary. But when it reaching to line number 268, do you think this is empty? No. Loaded with all algorithms. Loaded with what exactly? Now conclusion of the story. Creating a normal dictionary like a Daniel 101, Suresh 102, general example. But creating a dictionary which is storing all algorithms actually powerful object. What objects are? Powerful object. Did you understand? Good. Good. Sir, what is the project name? Any idea? Customer purchase intention model. One more time. First of all, this is not a general project. Trust me, it is the real time project. What exactly? For you to understand this project, on an average, minimum 5 days it takes. How long time? 5 days. That too, on an average, daily 1 hour if you work out actually. What is this function? Why we call? Do some work around. It's not like within 1 hour I can explain. But don't try to understand the whole things in 1 hour actually, but understand the steps. Understand what exactly? Steps. Are you clear? But if you understand this project, trust me, in total company, the template is the common. What nothing is there, sir. Loading the data set, creating the algorithms actually. Ultimately, till now we learn how to create a first algorithm, second algorithm, third algorithm, fourth algorithm actually. But in real time, all these algorithms we have to store in one object actually. From this object we need to pick and we need to run, we need to pick and we need to run. Then finally you need to create a report like this actually. We need to create a report like this. Then this report we need to show to the client or manager and team meeting. Hey man, over the data I run on an average 5 algorithms. Each algorithm, this is the score actually. I feel really very good. This is the top algorithm actually. Then let us choose this algorithm to do the prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. Your teammate can tell, we can go for this one also. You can go for this one also. Nothing is wrong in that. But what exactly this one score is less? You should tell the reason why you should not go for this one actually. Did you understand? Good. Let us continue. All right. Sir, here onwards, very interesting. Look at my screen. First of all, we are creating a list. We are creating what exactly? List. That list is, first one is a model. Second one, runtime. Third one, ROC underscore AAC. This is just now we have seen. Did you notice this one? In this report actually, what is the first column name? Model. Second column name? Run underscore time. Next one is a ROC and AUC. Very good. Means we are going to prepare a data frame. For the data frame columns I'm planning for, first one is a model, second one is a run underscore time, third one is some score. Third one is what exactly? Some score. Are you ready? Then good. Move on to the next step. Next step. Tell me, do I need to explain? Who all want these steps, sir? Raise your hand actually. No one didn't raise it. Yeah, good. Now we are creating object to whom? Data frame. We are creating object to whom actually? Data frame. Now let me tell you. Read underscore CSV, it can create the data frame. Data frame directly we can create an object actually. Why we are creating empty data frame, this is really beautiful, man. Understand the output actually. What is output, We are creating a data frame with really nice information. Inside this data frame, generally customer ID, customer product, price, these are all we have seen till now. But the power of data frame will be all models you can store according to the order actually. And all model score you can store. Each model, how long time it has taken, this one also we need to report actually. Did you understand? Good. This line and this line, what exactly we are doing, we are getting ready, preparing. We are preparing what exactly, sir? Model actually. We are preparing empty data frame. I'm sure till now you understand. Am I right? Can I get a response? Good. I have a question for you. Everyone, I need a response. Are you getting what I'm explaining? You need to spend some time. As I told you, for you, it takes minimum 5 days, 5 to 6 days. Even if it is taking 1 week also, that is fine. Daily, 1 hour you need to spend over this project. This project you need to run minimum 10 times. Change the variable name, run the algorithm. It takes some time actually, I'm sure. But previously one student texted me. Till now, whenever you are running this example, you are getting output very quickly. But don't play, games with this example. Whenever you are running, please wait for minimum 5 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Am I right? Why? To getting the output, it is taking some time. Did you notice that one actually? Then please don't text me immediately. Hey, where is the output actually? That's what I'm telling. Good. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Now I wanted to explain very clearly. Next steps, please get ready. Any idea what is this? Let us spend only line by line understand, sir. What is this line? For first of all, what is a classifier? Dictionary. What is it one? Dictionary. First of all, over the dictionary, if you're applying for loop actually, what you will get, all keys you will get. What you will get, sir? All keys. If you want, you can just try to come here and for, so I'm sorry, K in what exactly? D1. Now print of what exactly, sir? K. All right. Let me just try to run this example. Test. What is this one, sir? Test. Look at my screen. Yeah, we are getting. I mean to say that In this line, key means what exactly? Name of the algorithm. Did you understand? Right. These are all names actually. This one, this one, this one, this one. Did you understand? Good. I mean to say that. So the object is ready. Let me extract one by one algorithm. Let me run over the data actually. Let me run over what exactly? Data. Are you fine? Everyone is getting right? Good. Move to the next line. Sir, what we can do, I'm planning to do, there is a one module name is a time module. What is that module? Time module. If you want, I can frame small example for your better understanding. You can understand very clearly. Do one thing. A equals to range of list of range of, let me provide here 10 values for I in a print of, talk with me, I. Good. Then how many values you are going to get? Any idea? Very good. How many values you are going to get? 0 to 9. Definitely for loop have taken some amount of the time. Some time it has taken. And whenever you are running 100 values, then definitely for loop have taken the time. And now if you are running 1000 values, for loop have taken some time actually. Am I right or not, sir? It will take the time. If you wanted to know the time, you can write a program. I'm going to write a for loop. I'm going to write what exactly for loop. To run that for loop, how long time it has taken, you can write a program actually. I mean, to write that program, can I implement? Let me show you. Let me show you. You will get a very clear picture. Let me run initially with the 10 value. What exactly you need to do, this example I'm explaining. Whenever you're writing the for loop, definitely it is taking some time. I wanted to capture that time. How long time it is taking actually. Let me show you. There is a one module name is a time actually. Hold on. Starting the program running time actually, or else this line still you can just try to keep here. That one was still fine actually. Then hold on. Time module time module just try to import, sir. Yeah, we are importing. Hold on, sir, just give me 1 minute. To get into seconds, we need to format actually. That's what I'm doing. This one, let's do one thing. I would like to make it end time. Yeah. Can I say one thing, sir? This is the for loop starting time. Imagine the time will be 9 9 a.m. actually. Once the for loop is running, talk with me, 9:10 a.m. How long time it has taken? How you can do that one actually? 9.10 minus what exactly? 9. Am I right or not, sir? Then you are going to get what exactly? 10 minutes. I mean to say that end time minus what exactly? Starting time. Am I right? Sir, I need your help. Good. Do one thing. Let us just try to, before for loop we have taken and after for loop we have taken. Now the final result we need to write like this, sir. Here what I need to do, any idea? N time, very good. N time, and we have to do some calculation. And finally, let me just try to print this one. What happened? Time taken to run for loop. To run what exactly, sir? For loop. Now let me print the result. Let me print what exactly? Result actually. Are you ready? Good. We have written a program. That program main purpose will be, I wanted to capture for loop how long time it is taking. For loop how long time it is taking actually. Let me just try to run. Format argument has a 2, but you have given here 1 minute, sir. Just I need some format actually. Format arguments 2 must be string but integer. Oh, total roundup we need to apply here actually. So this one should be the total. Hold on. Yeah, a round of 60 divided by 2. A round of 60 divided by 2. Till here, we are taking this one actually. Can I copy paste this one? But let us just try to make it. This one is what exactly? End time. Let me run this one, sir. Check it out. So it is not taking much time because maybe just a matter of 10 values, right? Depends upon the processor. Go back. Let me increase the value. Do you think it will not take for all values actually? I have a question, sir. Are you with me? Processor is giving some option to you actually, kind of some bumper offer. It is not taking long time actually. Right, good. Maybe it has taken nanoseconds. How long time? Still zero only. Sir, are we calculating in the right way? 1,000 values. Yeah. We are in the good shape actually. Now, how long time it has taken? 0.02 seconds. Good. What is the values? 1,000. Let me give 10,000. Let me give what exactly? 10,000. Then for loop is taking some time. Sir, buffer is over. How long time it is taking? 0.12. Did you understand? Don't ask 1 lakh values actually, that we can do practice. I mean to say that, sir, the for loop backend, the program, how long time it is taking, you can capture. You can still capture. Simple. It is a format which is a function. We need to round up the values actually. I just need 2 decimal only. And we are converting into seconds. We are converting into what exactly? I'm sorry. Minutes we are converting. What we are converting? Minutes. There are time frame that you need to work with the module, time module, seconds, minutes, hours, you can run actually. Did you understand? Exactly. In the given output, I need this kind of result actually. Now I'm just trying to planning to implement this one actually. I hope you understand this line and this line very well. Are you with me? Can I get a response? Good. And let me take this example. And you can just try to keep it here. Get ready. Now let me tell you one small secret actually. Till now, who are all really doing practice actually, practicing this example is very easy. Who are all not done, not even one algorithm example. Which example? One algorithm example. I request you first to do algorithm examples. Then you will get some confidence actually. Then you can run this algorithm, this example. That is my suggestion. Good, let's move on. Okay, till now I hope you understand. We are running the for loop actually. From the dictionary, we are getting one by one name of the algorithm. We are getting just name of the algorithm. Now, sir, I hope you already know step number 12, model pipeline runs successfully. Then key here we are providing. Sir, get ready. Any idea what exactly we are doing? This line is what? Any idea? This line is what? Yeah, model underscore what exactly? Pipeline. Please, we already created a function. That function is taking 2 parameters. How many parameters? First parameter is a yeah, feature. That feature here onwards we are providing actually. And the second one is what exactly, sir? Classifiers of key means model name we need to provide. What we need to provide? This is really good scenario. I hope you know from the dictionary. If you wanted to capture the value, then key you need to provide. What we need to provide? Am I right or not, sir? I hope you understand. Good. Then this function will be triggered. I have a one simple question. Then I can continue. Why left hand side pipeline? Come again? Written. Hope you understand. That's why there we provided a written actually. I mean to say that this example is called as a function can call another function. A function can call what exactly? Another function. First of all, what is this function name actually? Talk with me. Function name is a select underscore module. This function it is calling another function. That function name is a model underscore pipeline. I mean, to select the which is the best model, definitely pipeline supposed to be run with each and every algorithm. Are you getting your one? Good. Yeah. Now, I'm sure these are all steps you understand clearly. These steps you understand clearly. This one, this one. Good. Good, sir. Now we got a pipeline. We got what exactly? I mean, the model will walk through the, I hope I no need to go to the flow actually. That model will walk through that function and model will run. Now in our hand, what is would have? Pipeline would have. Now please understand this one. What is one, any idea what is this? Cross underscore val underscore score means what exactly we are applying? K-fold cross validation. What we are applying? K-fold cross validation. A really realistic way. For this one, definitely pipeline is required. A kind of some pipeline object is required. And again, we are providing what exactly? Feature, target, CV equals to what exactly? 10. Scoring equals to, scoring equals to provide kind of some ROC and AUC score. Sir, let me repeat again. ROC AUC score belongs to confusion matrix topic. What topic actually? Confusion matrix. That I will cover with you. I didn't cover, I will cover with you. Don't worry. Are you getting your one? Yeah. Now, instead of CV, tell me what are all things we can see actually. Instead of CV, what all things are available? Any idea? All values would you have? How many values? Each algorithm, if it is running 10 times actually, all scores would you have? If you wanted to get the average score, then you need to call mean method. What method? Mean method. Good. Get ready. Row equals to, row equals to previously what exactly happened, sir? First of all, empty data frame created. What is created? Empty data frame created. It's a right time we need to fill the row. We need to fill up what exactly? Rows actually. Now please, first one is the key. First one is what exactly? Sir, if you tell me what is the key, I can feel so happy. What is the key here? Model name. What is the key? Name of the model. Simple. It is not like a object to the model. Name of the model. Runtime, I hope you understand this one. Here is the key. Key means exactly the model. These are all name of the model. These are all name of the model actually. And then now let me tell you, instead of SVC, go back, come here, SVC. Can I tell this is the first model actually? We can tell, but if you tell according to the output actually, instead of SVC, what you will get? Any idea? First model. Problem. What is the first model? Again, problem actually. That's why we are giving name of the algorithm. That's why we are giving what exactly? Name of the algorithm. Sir, if you want, do one thing. Come here. First algorithm. Second algorithm. Like this, you need to update the code actually. Third algorithm. Fourth algorithm. Fifth algorithm. Seventh algorithm. Sorry, sir. Sixth algorithm. Let me run the code actually. Hold on. Wait for some time. Tell me what is the problem? What is the first algorithm? That's why we are storing name of the algorithm in a key. There is a reason. Did you understand? Good. Then just have to say first algorithm. What is the first algorithm? Then you have to debug and you have to, random forest. Though we have written the code, we know very well, but our team don't know. Like this, you can write actually, you will get the report. But whenever you are showing the report to the team actually, here it will be displayed first algorithm, second algorithm, third algorithm. They will think you created new algorithms. Did you understand? Good. That's why that is not a good practice actually. Control like this, you need to do small changes. You need to run the program thoroughly. Then you will get a clear picture. If you want to do one thing, I didn't apply logistic regression. Add that logistic regression, check the score. You can really feel the sense actually. Are you getting? Good. Sir, I know. Though the example is a very big example, you might be overloaded actually. I will continue. Once my explanation is done, I will give 1 or 2 times revision also. That is fine. But tomorrow, before you are coming to the session, you have to run this example actually. You have to run in your laptop and you have to understand what is going on. RT, good point. But there are many ways actually. Trust me, there are many ways. But I mean, I'm explaining the basic one. Let me take this one. Let me tell you in a real time way, I can still apply list comprehension also. Where are all for loop is available, you can go for directly close your eyes and what exactly, sir? I can go for dictionary comprehension. In the given example, if you want, I can write this example. This is I have written just for your better understanding. The same example I can implement by using dictionary comprehension. What comprehension? Dictionary comprehension. Arti, good point you brought it. But let me tell you, sir, why we need to write for loop actually to print the key or values. Exactly. But there are many ways. There are many ways. You're right. This is still valid. This is still valid actually. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah, this is good point. This is good point. Sir, Dinesh, sir, our example is not yet over, but let me tell you, train underscore test underscore split. This is for manual process. What process actually? Manual process. This is for what exactly? Automate process. That too, just we are checking the score. To deploy the algorithm, we need to retrain one more time. We need to what exactly, sir? I have a question for you. This is the just a report for you. This is all algorithms report actually. Now I came across, I need to run top one algorithm. What is the top one algorithm? Any idea? SVC. Now take this algorithm, proceed for the training one more time. Why? Because we need to deploy that model. We need to deploy what exactly? That model. That step also I will cover. Dinesh, did you understand? I hope you understand. Let us continue. All right, sir. Go back. Where are we? Good, 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 good. Where are we? I hope I explained these are all steps very quickly. Even these are all steps actually. Even now, let's move on. Sir, what exactly I'm doing, here, rows. I'm creating a simple rows actually. With these rows, I'm planning to initially one empty data frame created. What is created? For this empty data frame, every time I need to create a one data frame with the model and with the rows actually, then I need to add. I hope you know how to add actually. Then there is a function name is called as a concat. You can call this one. Did you understand? No, sir, I didn't understand this one. Means you are not done pandas practice very well. You are weak in pandas if you don't know this line actually. What exactly we are doing, in this line number 295. Line number 295. Look at my screen, everyone, please. First of all, we are creating empty data frame. What data frame, sir? Empty data frame. Then no doubt at all, this is the empty data frame. Then very good. Then in the next step, we are creating a data frame with each and every column actually. Now please observe here. This is first algorithm. We run the score actually. Then this algorithm we are adding to this one. Same thing like that, another data frame is being getting created. Then this algorithm, this data frame also we need to add here actually. Did you understand? These steps are happening exactly in this line. Concat. Initial empty data frame, then later on loaded data frame. I would like to say, loaded with name of the algorithm, runtime, score. Runtime and what exactly? Score. Get ready. Till here you will get all models. What you will get, sir? All models. Now with all models, if you are not applying this one, let me run the output actually. Let me run the output. If you didn't run this one, then what is the problem, sir? Now the problem will be, look at my screen. Arey boss, I have deleted that one. Did you notice here actually, based on this course we are displaying, first one SVC is the 5. Did you notice that one? Index actually. I mean, based on this score, we are just simply applying sort underscore value. Based on the column, what column? ROC underscore AUC, ascending equals to false. And finally, we are getting all ML algorithms. What we are getting? All ML algorithms. Did you understand? I mean to say that this function, simple, what it will do, you know, it will take input and output actually, and this function will run pipeline, will run what exactly, sir? Pipeline with each algorithm, and this function will provide name of the algorithm, how long time it has taken, and the score actually. Then this function is returning a data frame which is having bunch of all algorithms information. Bunch of what exactly? All algorithms information. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good, sir. Fine. So once you're done with this one, this let me explain tomorrow. I don't want to explain actually. Let me explain tomorrow. Tomorrow it takes on an average, it takes just a matter of some 15 to 20 minutes actually. Then we can close this project. I will give the revision one more time and kindly come up with do practice. This example, don't do copy paste. First, run on your laptop. Try to run this one in your laptop. And second time, try to type the code and execute. Type the code and execute actually. It takes some time. Are you with me? Good. Execute this project very well. All right. This one online team. Can somebody run this project actually? Sir, easy, sir. Nothing is there. Just a Python. That's it. Only running nodes I need to upload. All right, man. Kindly please walk through this project. Fine then. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we are going to close this one actually. If you want, I can help you today recorded session. If you want. First walk through the code, you will understand. Nothing is there. Online team, thank you for joining. We done for today's session.